We want to create picture like we just picked from the grandma's home. So the idea is this. Take a plain white paper and crump it like this and take a shot of it. Place photo on the crumpled piece of paper in Photoshop to look old and vignette. If you don't have DSLR or the nice camera phone, so you can download this crumpled paper picture by using the link in the description down below. So let's start our tutorial. First take the crumpled paper and adjust the exposure in the camera raw. So this is the image that we took of crumpled paper. So firstly we have to crop it. Just like this. Hit OK. Control or Command J to make the duplicate layer. Right click and convert it into the smart object. Control Shift A or Command Shift A to open up Camera Raw. Now decrease the saturation to 0%. Now adjust these sliders. I want to enhance these shadows. Take a white little bit down. Increase the black. And that's it. Hit OK. So this is the crumpled paper that is fully ready for use. After working with it, open image and make it vignette and grainy. Now I am going to open up the image. Adjust it just like this. Hit enter. Control Shift A or Command Shift A to open up the camera raw again. Adjust these basic values. Decrease highlights. Increase a little bit shadow. Add texture to it. Add little bit clarity. Increase vibrance. Now go to the details. Add a little bit sharpening here. Go to the effect and add grain. I'm going to add at the 100% and create a little bit vignette and hit OK. Now change the blend mode normal to multiply, and that's it. If you want to adjust this crumpled value, like click on this adjustment layer icon and then choose curve and take the curve on the top of the crumpled paper. Now create clipping mask. Now adjust these values just like this. You can even increase it or decrease or make it more enhanced. I like that. I'm going to add the special effect like paper stain. You can even download from the Google Images. So this is the paper stain. Adjust it just like this. Hit enter. Now change the blend mode normal to multiply again, and that's it. I'm going to add the coffee cup stain. It's not a PNG file. Hit enter. Now change the blend mode again to multiply. Control or Command D and adjust it. Decrease the opacity and that's it. Now it looks super old that you just picked from the grandma's home, and I hope you like this one. Give it a try, and that's it. So if I see, this is the before and this is the after. I hope this video helps you a lot. If it does, do me a favor, make sure you like this video, comment below if you have any question, and also suggest me which tutorial I should cover in my next video. So until then, think creative.